Did you know that over the years, the Japanese have discovered ways to maintain their flawless skin without relying on Western beauty products? That's right. They have had access to some of the most potent natural ingredients that can enhance the health and appearance of the skin. Now, I will be sharing with you 5 Japanese super ingredients that can help you to achieve a fairer, brighter, smoother, and blemish-free skin, looking more shredded than ever before. You wouldn't want to miss this, so let's get right into it. Remedy 1. The Rice Water Secret. To begin our journey into the realm of Japanese skincare, we unveil the age-old practice of soaking rice for its cosmetic benefits. This humble grain holds a treasure trove of antioxidants, vitamins B and E, and essential minerals that work harmoniously to lighten skin tone, fade scars, and combat the relentless march of time. In the heart of Japan, it is a well-known custom to soak rice prior to cooking. The starchy water that emerges from this process is not discarded. Oh no, it is carefully collected and cherished for its beauty-enhancing properties. This rice water, my friends, is a veritable fountain of youth. Rich in nourishing compounds, it acts as a natural toner, effectively reducing the appearance of those pesky dark spots and blemishes that plague many of our complexions. Moreover, it is said that consistent use of rice water can diminish the telltale signs of aging, leaving you with a complexion that is not only radiant, but also enviably youthful. Imagine incorporating this age-old tradition into your daily routine. All it takes is a simple act of soaking rice in water, allowing nature's bounty to infuse every drop. After which you would then strain the mixture to obtain the essence, the rice water. Now, to harness its magic as a toner, simply dip a cotton pad into the liquid and gently sweep it across your face. By doing this regularly, you are bestowing upon your skin the gift of nourishment that has been cherished for centuries in the land of the rising sun. Remedy 2. Green Tea Glow Mask. Now, let's unveil the second secret from Japan's beauty trove, the Green Tea Glow Mask. Green tea, with its high concentration of catechins, is a true elixir for the skin. These powerful antioxidants help to fade pigmentation, minimize the appearance of those pesky fine lines and wrinkles, and protect against harmful UV rays. To craft this mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of green tea powder mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey and a dash of lemon juice. Apply this concoction to your face, letting it sit for about 15 minutes before gently rinsing it off. The result, a complexion that is not only brighter and smoother, but also deeply nourished. Remember, this mask is your key to unlocking that coveted green tea glow. Just like green tea is integral to Japanese tea ceremonies, it is also a staple in their beauty rituals. Incorporating this mask into your routine can be a delightful self-care experience, a moment of tranquility amidst your busy life. Each application brings you one step closer to the luminous, radiant skin that is the hallmark of Japanese beauty. Remedy 3. Azuki Bean Scrub. Now let's explore a lesser-known yet highly effective Japanese beauty secret, the Azuki Bean Scrub. This traditional practice involves using finely ground Azuki beans as a natural exfoliant and cleanser. In Japanese culture, Azuki beans have long been celebrated for their beauty benefits, and it is said that geishas have been using them for centuries to achieve flawless skin. The secret lies in the gentle yet powerful cleansing properties of these tiny beans. When ground into a fine powder and mixed with a little rice water to form a paste, they create a natural scrub that effectively removes dead skin cells, minimizes the appearance of pores, and brightens the overall complexion. Using this scrub once or twice a week can leave your skin feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. It's important to note that this Japanese beauty hack is not just about achieving picture-perfect skin, but also about embracing a holistic approach to beauty. The Azuki Bean Scrub aligns with the Japanese philosophy of finding beauty in simplicity, purity, and tradition. By incorporating this ancient beauty secret into your skincare routine, you are tapping into a rich cultural heritage that values the power of nature and the importance of preserving traditional practices. It's a chance to disconnect from the complexities of modern life and reconnect with age-old wisdom that has stood the test of time. Remedy 4. Matcha and Aloe Vera Gel. Our fourth journey takes us to the world of matcha and aloe vera, two ingredients that are often celebrated for their individual skincare benefits. However, when combined, they create a powerful synergy that can truly transform your skin. Matcha, with its high concentration of antioxidants and vitamins, helps to brighten the complexion and protect against environmental stressors. Meanwhile, aloe vera hydrates and soothes the skin, reducing inflammation and promoting a smoother, softer texture. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and apply directly to your skin. Allow it to absorb and let the powerful combination work its magic. This versatile gel can be used as a moisturizer or even a soothing mask, offering a luxurious spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Regularly incorporating this matcha and aloe vera concoction into your skincare routine can lead to a noticeable improvement in your skin's overall appearance. You may find that fine lines and wrinkles become less prominent, dark spots fade, and your skin develops a healthy, youthful glow. It's like having a personal skincare specialist right at your fingertips. Remedy 5. The Camellia Oil Ritual. Finally, we arrive at the last remedy in our collection, the Camellia Oil Ritual. Camellia oil, also known as Tsubaki oil in Japan, has been revered for centuries for its beauty benefits. This oil derived from the seeds of the Camellia sinensis plant is rich in oleic acid and antioxidants that nourish and protect the skin. To incorporate this oil into your routine, simply apply 2 to 3 drops after cleansing your face in the evening. Gently massage it into your skin, allowing the oil to penetrate deep into the pores. Its non-sticky formula ensures that your skin absorbs it quickly, leaving you with a hydrated and supple complexion. Regular use of camellia oil can work wonders on your skin. It helps fade scars, minimizes the appearance of pores, and leaves your face with a natural, healthy glow. It's like having a personal skincare guardian, ensuring that your skin stays nourished and protected throughout the night. The Camellia Oil Ritual aligns with the Japanese philosophy of embracing simplicity and tradition in achieving beauty. By using this time-honored oil, you are connecting to a cultural heritage that values the power of nature and the importance of preserving ancient beauty secrets. It's a reminder that true beauty often lies in the simplest of rituals and natural wonders. In conclusion, Japanese skincare secrets hold a timeless allure. These practices and remedies are not just about achieving flawless skin, but embracing a holistic approach to beauty. Whether it's the soothing touch of aloe vera, the exfoliating power of Azuki beans, or the hydrating embrace of camellia oil, each remedy tells a story of nature's elegance and efficacy. As you incorporate these secrets into your routine, remember that consistency is key. Just as the Japanese patiently cultivate their gardens, they also tend to their skin with unwavering dedication. Consistency will allow these remedies to work their magic, revealing the radiant, youthful skin that lies within you. Now, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Which of these Japanese skincare secrets resonates with you the most? Have you already tried any of them? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comment section below. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the timeless beauty secrets of Japan. Until next time, may your skin glow with health and radiance.